A bullet of mass 10 grams moving horizontally with a velocity of 400 meter per second strikes a wooden block of mass 2 kg which is suspended by a light in extensible string of the length 5 meter. As a result, the center of gravity of the block is found to rise a vertical distance of 10 centimeters. What will be the speed of the bullet after it emerges out horizontally from the block? In this problem, we are dealing with a collision between a bullet and a wooden block. The bullet with mass 10 grams, which is 0.01 kg, strikes the block with a velocity of 400 meter per second. The block, having mass 2 kg, is suspended by a string and rises to a height of 10 centimeter after the bullet embeds in it. We are tasked with finding the speed of the bullet after it emerges horizontally from the block. We are given the mass of the bullet m1 equals 10 grams or 0.01 kg. An initial velocity of the bullet u1 equals 400 meter per second and the mass of the block m2 equals 2 kgs and vertical rise of the block's center of gravity, that is h, equals 10 centimeters or 0.1 meter and the length of the string L equals 5 meter. The vertical rise of the block corresponds to its kinetic energy being converted to potential energy. Using the conservation of mechanical energy, that is, potential energy is equal to kinetic energy, we get m2gh equals half m2v squared. Solving for the velocity of the block after the collision v, solving for the velocity of the block after the collision, we get v equals root 2gh, that is equal to square root of 2 into 9.8 meter per second square into 0.1. That is nothing but square root of 1.96, which is approximately equal to 1.4 meter per second. Since there is no external horizontal force, we apply the conservation of horizontal momentum. Before the collision, the bullet has momentum and the block is at rest. After the collision, both the bullet and the block move horizontally. Hence, m1u1 equals m1v1 plus m2v, where v1 is the velocity of the bullet after the collision and v is the velocity of the block after the collision, which we calculated as 1.4 meter per second. Now substituting the known values, we get 0.01 into 400 equals 0.01 V1 plus 2 into 1.4, which is nothing but 4 is equal to 0.01 V1 plus 2.8 or 0.01 V1 equals 1.2 or V1 equals 1.2 by 0.01, which is nothing but 120 meter per second. The speed of the bullet after it emerges horizontally from the block is 120 meter per second. That is nothing but option A.